How to play private match in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. To play private match in Rainbow Six Mobile, first of all, launch open the Rainbow Six Mobile game and wait for the main menu to load. Once you're inside the lobby screen, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and from the left hand side menu, scroll down and tap on private match. Now click on enter private lobby button at the bottom. Now on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and invite friends. Now go ahead and invite players. Tap on this tap to invite button and select friends or players from your list. Click the add button to send them the request. Repeat this step and invite friends to the match. The Team A option is attackers or defenders versus the Team B option is the opposite side. If you are an attacker, go ahead and invite teams on the left hand side. You can also invite the defenders by tapping on the plus icon on the right corner. Simply tap the plus icon and select the friend you want to add and tap on the add button. Now once they accept the request and once you have enough player, you can then tap on the start button at the bottom right. You can also tap the random option over here and select your map, number of rounds, the first attacker whether it is Team A or Team B. Go ahead and select the lobby access whether you want member invites or join requests, and you can also select the bots whether you want an easy game, medium, hard or expert. And finally, click on Save Changes at the bottom right. Once enough player has joined in, you can tap the Start button. Remember, you'll need at least 2 players to start. So right there, you'll be able to create a private match or play private match in Rainbow Six Mobile. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.